In this video, we will show you how to change an Uber Eats bicycle to scooter. If you guys want to get started with Uber Eats, you can use the links down in the description. If you wish to change your mode of delivery, i.e. from motorbike to bicycle, submit the form. Multiple vehicle registrations are only available for the same delivery mode. Once the change is made, you will be able to submit any additional documents, as well as update your registered vehicle from the account page in your partner app. Note that the document review takes 2 business days, and during the review, you cannot go online. Also, note that it can take a few days for incentives to be updated to your new delivery mode. If you are a foreign national, you'll be requested to visit one of our compliance centers after you update your delivery mode. Walker mode is only available for those who registered for bicycle mode. If your account is active, no additional documents are required to change to the Walker mode. Next, select Walker on the app when you want a driver with Walker mode. So that's how to change Uber Eats bicycle to scooter. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.